आज का सीन कुछ ऐसा है कि आज है सैटरडे और मेरी एक दोस्त और कोवर्कर मेक्सिको से आई हुई है मिशिगन, और जैसा कि आज सैटरडे है तो मैंने सोचा कि उसको आज डिट्रॉय और मिशिगन की थोड़ी सैर करवा दी जाए। तो अभी मैं अपने घर से निकला हूँ और उसको जा रहा हूँ पिक करने उसके होटल से। मेरे साथ मेरी बेगम भी साथ हैं, तो हम दोनों ने डिसाइड किया है कि पहले उसको हम लेके जाएंगे डाउनटाउन एरिया, रिवर वॉक और डाउनटाउन डिट्रॉय थोड़ा सा घुमाएंगे, और उसके बाद लंच के लिए हम अभी स्टिल डिसाइड कर रहे हैं। हम उसको 2-3 ऑप्शन देंगे कि उसको क्या खाना है, मेडिटेरेनियन खाना है, इंडियन पाकिस्तानी खाना है, या कुछ अमेरिकन खाना है, बर्गर शर्गर खाना है। वो हम उस पर छोड़ेंगे। मैंने सोचा कि आज आप लोगों को भी मैं इस सैर में शामिल करूं। साथ रहें हमारे और देखें कि क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहता है आज का। स्टे ट्यून। I just picked my friend from hotel, Ivonne. She is over there. Say hi.
Hello.
Yeah. And now we are driving towards downtown Detroit. Unfortunately, it's raining, but it's not as bad. So hopefully, by the time we reach to downtown Detroit, so we're not gonna have like too much of raining. So stay tuned. Let's see. Finger crossed. So it is cool. So we are here at Detroit Riverwalk. This is our first stop, and she already started feeling cold. So we were at the Riverwalk, but there was like too much of wind, and she was not able to survive that wind. So that's why we are over here at Zealand. This is one of the prime location in Detroit downtown. You can see all across the downtown area. It's the highest parking spot in Michigan, so you can see across. Or you wanna have like something from here? They have a good sound. Bagel? Hi. Can I have one small coffee, 2 cream, 2 sugar? What?
Cream and sugar behind you.
Sounds good. And what do you wanna drink?
Toasted white. Chocolate? No, a coffee. But like in that way.
Okay, so can I get one like toasted white chocolate mocha? That one, the first one, right? Yep.
I think that caramel ribbon crunch.
Yeah, can I change it? Sorry. Which one?
The caramel ribbon crunch.
Yeah, caramel ribbon crunch. And can I have one? How's the coffee?
Really nice, but it's not really cold. It's cold, but not very, very cold.
You know why it's not very cold? Because your hands are very cold. That's why you're not feeling it's cold. It's a ice. Yeah, it is a cold, but it's.
Maybe when I go out, I feel really cold.
Yeah. Drink a little bit, and you can have like another one, hot one.
It's a really nice coffee.
Yeah.
I like it.
So, Ivonne, get a which one?
Caramel, ribbon, crunch.
So
These things are crunchy.
crunchy. So she get it like a caramel coffee, and she thought like it's gonna be hot one, and it's cold, but it's still good. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Here's your cinnamon bagel. Yeah. So you get another cream cheese as well. So we order cinnamon bagel, and they just gave us like a plain bagel. So in that mistake, they gave Ivonne one extra bagel. So she is enjoying buy one get one free. In the center.
Then they can
Okay.
see everything.
Okay. You can stop the traffic. Let's go.
They are going
Ivonne. Yep. Oh, look. You wanna go up? That's fine. Hi, can we come in?
Yeah, of course.
How much is this one?
95.
And what
They're all
is
hand painted.
hand painted?
Or the tiles, I place the tiles down.
Okay.
But they all have an epoxy on top. That's what gives it that gloss
Yeah,
finish.
this is what I was like asking. Like, this is the epoxy.
Yeah.
It's kind of
I
like-
just like to paint with the acrylic first because I'm a better painter than I'm like a resin person. So that's why I do the acrylic first.
So, you really wanted to do ice skating,
I don't know. It's very cool.
and you don't want to break your bones right now. You have to travel back to Mexico, right?
Yes.
Yeah, at night it's gonna look so beautiful because they have like lights, different color of lights.
The people bring it to.
No, you can. No, they are just. They are not. I don't think so. They are allowing everyone to bring their shoes, but when it's open, you can rent the shoes from there. Yeah. Yep. Oh, you have to go. You gonna see?
I don't understand why you're thinking of. You had me at alone. I don't understand why you're thinking of. You had me at alone. I don't understand why you're thinking of.
Ivonne, she wanted to see some water, so I bring her over here at Belle Isle, and it's kind of like freezing over here, and it's raining also. You like the rain? You wanna say something? Yeah, it's really cold. You know, in winter time, this water is like freezing, like it's all ice over here. It become ice. You can walk over here on the water, and we have some crazy people over here. We cannot stand over here on the side, and someone is trying to do like a windsurfing. What do you call it? Like windsurfing? Yeah. So we don't want to die. So we're gonna go back to our car. So from here,
You want to get free.
yeah. So from here we're gonna go for eat something. So I'm gonna take her to Dearborn. It's a Arabic ethnic city. So she's gonna have some Arabic food today.
Yes, let's try.
Okay, let's go. So I bring Ivonne. I did bring Ivonne to Shiba. It's one of the yummy Mediterranean. It's one of the best yummy Mediterranean. And let's go. So, Ivonne, did you like your first Mediterranean food?
Yes,
Is it-
really good?
What was the good thing about it? What you like most?
The vegetables with what's the name of
Salad?
the salad with
Ginger?
No,
Ah,
the ginger is not my favorite thing. It's fine, but also the rice and the meat was really nice.
I'm glad you like it.
Yeah, thank you. Good selection, and the chili too was going to be empty. Only the house.
Green chili. So now I bring Ivonne to Kava House, which is like one of the tea house, Arabic tea house in Dearborn, and I'm gonna ask her like how she likes the tea. Ivonne, did you like the tea?
It's a little bit hot, but this thing, I really like it.
Khalfa. It's called Khalfa. You never had anything like that before.
No. They taste really good.
Yeah, so she really likes Khalfa and the taste of real honey. So I'm glad you like that place. Ivonne, do you feel cold?
I think that now I feel fine. Not
Did you-
very cold.
Did you like the city of Dearborn?
Yes, that's nice.
Will you come next time?
Yes, but in another kind of weather.
Summer?
Maybe summer.
Okay. Go from here. तो ये थी मेरी आज की वीडियो जिसमें मैंने अपनी दोस्त इवॉन को और आप लोगों को डेट्रॉयट डाउनटाउन और डेयरबॉर्न की सैर कराई। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको आज की मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है। अब मुझे इजाज़त दें। अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम एक नई जगह और एक नए एडवेंचर के साथ हाजिर होऊंगा। टेक केयर। अल्लाह हाफिज़।